We have less than 90 days before the start of the official holiday shopping season, and the intent of this workshop was to educate our retailers and all those companies that provide services and goods to help them prepare for the holidays.
It's exciting to be here at UCF Downtown campus on this beautiful sunny day, but pretty soon stores and environments and online will be completely overwhelmed with holiday traffic. And so we're excited to be able to talk about the day-to-day, but then also how do you price your products?
Everything I didn't know I needed to help me gear up for this holiday season. Give me a lot of things to think about, a lot of things to put in place and in action, and a lot of areas that I can actually improve.
Workshop was amazing.
Yeah, it was.
We've learned some incredible things, definitely things that we need to implement into the business that we didn't think about.
I've learned so much, and like I was saying, the synergy in the building, just talking to other business owners, and I don't know, it's just nice being around like-minded professionals who want to grow and get better.
We invite individuals that may not make it today to come to the NEC. We'll still have the information available to them.
Before the conference, our average sales were about $14 a piece. And then after the conference, our sales have gone almost to $16 at every time. We went from 22 sales to 57 sales. And we're killing it.
It's been amazing. We added the cutting boards to this Saturday's event, so we will see. And we did a Soldovo breast cancer shirt to represent, and then we've also spoken about giving a percentage back. So we've actually had some sales on the shirts as well. So.
Collaborating with Tim on this amazing project. We were able to meet and we followed up after the initial boot camp, and we're making it work, and I'm excited. Stickers have been ordered, they have been designed, ordered, and we also have a tabling event also on the calendar for December 6th in Avalon at Avalon Glow, and I'm excited.